Good morning, guys. I need your help. How do you remove this stuff on hard body? Because I see, oh my god, it's a lot. Like, how do you remove it? Like, what's the fast way of removing? What's the quickest way of removing this stuff? I tried using a dry cloth, right? Like patting it this way and then removing it like this, but I can see it looks like it's gonna take a while, so I just need some help. You see how it's a lot. How do you remove it? What's the quickest way of taking this out? Is it I guess Tuso.